Some people want their period to arrive before an important event, targeted week, or an upcoming camping trip. There are a few things to try make your period come faster. There are no guaranteed ways to make your period come immediately in 1 hour or within a day or two. However, around the time their period is due, a person can do certain things that bring the period little faster. Someone offers many other solutions to make your period come faster, such as eating pineapple or fenugreek, but there is no evidence that these methods work. In this video, we talk at some of the methods people can use to make period come faster and earlier. Methods to get period come immediately. The only reliable method for changing a menstrual cycle is using hormonal birth control. However, diet, exercise, and stress reduction may also help. The following discussion may help you in make your period come faster in someone who already has periods. Hormonal birth control. Using hormonal contraception, such as birth control pills or the ring, is the only reliable method of take control of the menstrual cycle. The combined pill, which contains both estrogen and progesterone, is the most effective method for controlling periods. People take hormonal pills for 21 days, then stop them, or take a dummy pill for 7 days. They have their period in these 7 days. People can stop taking these hormonal pills early to make their period come faster and earlier. Orgasm. Believe it or not, sex and orgasm can also help bring on a period. The combination of the hormones produced during sexual activity and uterine contractions during orgasm may help to dilate the cervix and help the uterus begin to shed its lining. Relaxation. Scientific research shows that high levels of stress have links to menstrual irregularities. Finding ways to relax and reduce stress can help, especially if a person finds that their periods are late or absent due to stress. Simple yoga, journaling, meditation, and spending time with friends and loved ones can help keep stress levels down. Diet and weight. Changes in a person's body weight can affect their period. Low body weight can cause irregular periods or may even cause periods to stop entirely. This is because the body needs some fat to produce hormones related to menstruation. Having a high body weight or experiencing a sudden change in weight can also cause irregular menstrual cycles. Some people may notice that certain foods can delay or speed up their period and affect how heavy the flow is and its duration. This may be due to the relative fat, protein, and other nutrient content in foods. Extreme calorie restriction or excessive exercise can both have an impact on the reproductive hormones and affect ovulation. Exercise. Gentle exercise may loosen the muscles and help a period come faster. However, the evidence for this method is anecdotal, and research has not confirmed that it works. Some people have irregular periods because of vigorous exercise regimes. Exercising in moderation can help to restore the hormones needed to bring back to period come faster and regular menstrual cycle.